Hi, I'm Dr. Vivek Sehrawat. I'm an assistant professor at BML Munjal University School of Law. Before coming here, I was at University of California, Davis. I got my doctorate from University of Kansas, my LLM from University of California, Davis, and my BLLB from National Law College, Gurgaon. I teach legal research and writing, law of torts, and international law. So here in my classes, I believe in experiential learning. For that, I conduct interactive sessions in my class. I use case law method. I invite practitioners to deliver lectures. I also show them videos. I conduct open book assessment for the better understanding of the concept rather than cramming. So I'm passionate about research. I do research about modern technology such as drones, autonomous weapon system, issues related to national security, international humanitarian law, international law. Recently, I published a book called Drones and the Law. Also, I'm a fitness freak. I like to go for long runs, hike, and back in the days, I was a professional cricket player.